Hi everyone. Today we are diving into SignNow, the leading electronic signature platform designed to streamline your document workflow. Whether you are a small business owner, freelancer, or part of a large team, this video will show you how to use SignNow like a pro. Have you ever had to chase down signatures, deal with lost paperwork, or manage time sensitive contracts manually? You know how frustrating it can be. Without a tool like SignNow, traditional document workflows are slow, error prone, and inefficient. SignNow is a powerful and user friendly e signature platform that lets you prepare, send, and manage documents online. For simple forms to From simple forms to complex contracts, SignNow ensures your documents are secure, compliant, and ready to go, all from your browser or mobile device. So let's first start by setting up your SignNow account and getting familiar with its interface. First, go to SignNow and sign up for a free trial or paid plan. Complete the setup wizard to personalize your profile, such as your name, company, and your title. Then explore the dashboard to understand the key sections such as documents, templates, and your profile. You can also connect your cloud storage services such as Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive to easily import documents. Once your account is set up, you can start uploading and prepare your documents for signatures. To do it, just click New, then go to Upload Document and select your file. Then drag and drop it into the editor and add signature fields, text fields, checkboxes, and date fields. You can also assign each field to a specific recipient if you have multiple signs. You can also use templates for recurring documents like NDAs, invoices, or employment contracts. Now that your document is ready, it's time to send it for signature. Click Send to open the recipient setup screen and add recipient names and emails. You can also set the signing order and customize the message, subject, and body to provide context. Then just review and click Send. You can also enable reminders so Sign Now automatically follows up with recipients who haven't signed in yet. Once you have sent the documents for signing, it's easy to track the status and manage your completed documents. Go to the Documents tab to view sent, pending, and completed agreements. Click on a document to see real-time updates and download the final signed PDF. Organize the documents using folders or tags for better management. Here are some extra features that are useful while using SignNow. You can create reusable templates for common documents like contracts, application, and waivers. You can invite other team members and assign roles to collaborate on documents and templates. You can also use the SignNow app to sign and send documents on the go on your mobile. SignNow meets global compliance and standards like GDPR and HIPAA, but so it's perfect for sensitive documents too. To recap, SignNow empowers you to create, send, and manage good documents digitally, eliminating paper, saving time, and ensuring legal compliance. From uploading documents to tracking signatures, SignNow has everything you need to streamline your workflow. Thank you for watching and hope this tutorial was helpful for you.